Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the third week of May, exclusive love reading plus career reading. Those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Astha Sharma and you're watching the Moksha Tarot. Let's start with your career first. You have got the Nine of Moons and the Hermit card, again a 9 number. I do see that you could be seeing 9-9 and 9-9 is very important for you. It is a card of completion. So definitely you're completing something in some way. So do Google the meaning, especially with regards to your career, because I do see it's trying to give you a message here. You could be seeing any angel number for that matter, but 9-9 was relevant. So I told you. I do see that probably you were expecting or you are expecting some sort of promotion or growth in your career, whether you are in a job or business. I do see that some sort of truth will be revealed to you regarding your situation, that how much growth is there or how much money is going to come or are you getting that promotion or not, right? I do see that there is a bit of overthinking when it comes to your career where you have to make a decision about your life. What is working, what is not working, where should I go next, should I stay, should I leave, that kind of situation. The cards are asking you, advising you to not trust other people or do not rely on other people to give you the right kind of guidance, because this time around your intuition will be guiding you. So if you have a choice to make, if you have a decision to make, try to sit with yourself, try to weigh the pros and cons and listen to your intuition. Your intuition will guide you to the right path. It will help you make the right decision in your career, no matter what field you are in, no matter if you a job or a career or a business, it will help you. So listen to your intuition because that's your biggest point this week. Let's see what's happening in your love life. You have got the Initiate card and the Justice card. Let's begin with the Justice card. I do see that some sort of karma is playing its role. I do see that last week was difficult for you. This week is much better, but you still have to make some major decisions. In your personal life, if you were thinking of taking any sort of revenge from anyone who has hurt you, betrayed you, or backstabbed you, you do not have to do that, because this week they will be getting their karma, and if you're lucky, you will even get to know about it, that so and so got their karma, was hurt, went through a bad phase in their life, lost their business, anything, right? So yes, justice is going to happen this week. Anything that was not supposed to happen will be balanced this week. So you will hear some sort of good news coming your way. Probably that past person was not good for you. So if you have been a good person, you will get the rewards of karma as well, which means the Initiate card has come. So probably some good relationships will be formed, some good proposals will be coming your way, some good offers, invitations to events and parties will be coming your way. Anything that was taken away from you will be restored. Anything that was unfair to you will be restored. So I do see that you are getting invited to places, meeting new people, uh, entering new rooms. So some sort of opportunity is definitely opening up for you, especially in your personal life, personal relationships, friendships. It could also mean that your friendships were not good, or your relationships with your relatives and family members were not good. New relationships are being formed, better friendships, better relationships are being formed, people who are actually good for you. And if you are thinking of proposing someone, if a proposal is not coming your way, but you're thinking of proposing someone, this will be a very good time for you. Do make that first step, do take that first step, and definitely you will get a positive answer. Something which is meant for you, something which is karmically aligned, and something which is better for you, which is like a reward for you, is coming your way. So overall, if I see, it's going to be a decent week for you. Definitely some major changes are happening. Definitely some major choices has to be made, which has to be made by you and only you. Okay. So yes, if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do comment that I would like to claim this energy so that this reaches you faster. Also, if you have any questions regarding this reading or any other area of your life, love, health, family, children, anything, you can book a personal reading with me. To book any kind of rituals, you can book that as well. One is the bay leaf manifestation ritual and the other one is the blockage removal ritual. Please do look out for full moons and new moons. That's the perfect time to start any ritual. Book in advance so that you can start on point. Third, I do have different packages available. So if you are a single person, I have a different package for you. If you're focused on your career, I have a different package for you. And if you are in a relationship, situationship, or marriage, I have a different love package for you. So yes, you every package will have a free remedy that I will give you with the help of the guidance of your spirit guides to remove the blockages from your life permanently. Lastly, I do counseling sessions as well. So if you, your family, friend, anyone you think need it, you need guidance, you need a way out of your problems, you need someone to share your problems with, you are afraid that people will judge you, laugh at you, or your secrets are too deep and you cannot reveal it to anyone but it's eating you alive, then you can come to me. Top secrecy will be maintained on my channel, and anything that you share is obviously not revealed to anyone, so you can take that kind of guidance as well. Again, I will be guiding you and I will be giving you a remedy to remove negativity from your life with the help of your angel guides as well. I do have half an hour and 1 hour sessions available. All the audio video call sessions available on my channel are only and only on Instagram, Google Meet, or Zoom call. No WhatsApp calls. Okay, so please make sure of that before you make a booking. For any booking, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as here I will only come weekly and monthly. There on a daily basis you get to know what's happening, what are the charges, discounts, services, very cheap services available with me as well. So thank you for watching my channel. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.